Unless you're one of the very few people that hasn't watched any television at all in the last few months, hasn't read a book, listened to an audio play, then you'll know how vital the arts are to the cultural health of Wales. So thank you to all the businesses who've teamed up with arts organisations this last year, and please stick with us because we need you more than ever going forwards.
It's an absolute pleasure to be with you here tonight. Good luck to all the nominees.
Really, promoting the arts is part of promoting the economy as well. It's very important in Wales, so I'm delighted to be playing a small part in supporting the awards this year. Mae'n bleser mawr gen I gefnogi'r gwobrwyon leni. Mae'r celfyddydau yng Nghymru yn sector bwysig tu hwnt, yn hwb i'r economi hefyd, ac felly dwi'n llongyfarch pawb sydd wedi cael eu henwebu ac yn dymuno pob lwc i chi gyd.
I'm so delighted to be here at the awards with you all this evening. Just sad not to see your faces. But good luck to all the nominees, and let's hope that this time next year we shall all be singing together.
Thank you to all the businesses who are supporting the arts in Wales. Now more than ever, we need their support and for the cultural life of this country to continue.
I'm so delighted to be part of the awards. I'm so sad that it's not actually happening in the flesh, as it's one of my favourite nights of the year. But it's so important for us to celebrate all the amazing work being done in Wales, supporting the arts and all the incredible businesses involved. So I'm so thrilled to be part of it. And masses of luck to all the nominees. Have an amazing evening.
I'm absolutely delighted to be able to be a part of the Arts and Business Cymru Awards 2020. Congratulations to all the nominees.
To all the nominees, very good luck. And of course, if you don't win, still enjoy the evening.